It is on your side this morning now with a health warning. There may be a shorter window to get your flu shot this year.
Yeah, doctors all over the country are getting letters warning them that shipments of this year's flu shot are going to be about a month behind schedule. 8 on your side's Megan Gannon joins us live in Tampa.
Hey, good morning, Gail. That's right. We're told that if one company is experiencing these delays, it's more than likely all of the companies. So what we're learning is that the shipment of flu shots is about 3 or 4 weeks behind schedule, which is going to be putting them arriving very close to the start of flu season. Earlier this month, local doctor Martha Price learned that flu shot manufacturer Sanofi Pasteur was behind in production due to a delay in guidance from the World Health Organization and the FDA. That delay is in response to a late emerging strain seen during last flu season that needed to be addressed in this year's flu shot. The notice mentioned that other vaccine manufacturers are likely facing the same backlog.
Typically, when drug companies have told us there's going to be a 3 to 4 week delay, that sometimes gets pushed even further, and that's my biggest concern. We'll have to do more vaccines in a shorter period of time.
So the flu vaccine takes 2 weeks to become effective, and now with an even shorter window to vaccinate in time, Dr. Price urging patients not to let this delay discourage you from getting the shot. She still says you're going to need to get the flu shot to be able to combat this flu season. However, there is a silver lining. Because of this delay, working on that flu strain from last year, it's really going to be tailored to beating that flu strain. So there is a positive, even though there's a little bit of delay. Gail, there is a little bit of a positive when it comes to this. I'm gonna send it back over to you guys in the studio.
In the meantime, I guess we combat it the old-fashioned way, washing our hands and just trying to stay clean. Thank you, Megan.